Install the micrometer by screwing the top rod into the micrometer. The digital display should be tilted between 15 degrees and 45 degrees. Tighten the micrometer. Install the front or back counterweights and adjust weight by moving front or back. Install the saw blade. Tighten the saw blade. Mount the grinding stone, grind according to material and cutting frequency. Add the coolant. The coolant should reach about 3 mm from the edge of the saw blade. Place the sample collection plate. Install the working arm. Install the sample fixture. Clamp the sample with the fixture. Rotate the digital micrometer to move the fixture. Lower the gravity arm. Ensure sample height is 5 mm below the saw blade. Simultaneously, lock the working arm. Rotate the micrometer to position the sample above the saw blade. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the spindle power and adjust the speed clockwise. Slowly lower the gravity arm. Close the protective cover. The spindle automatically stops after cutting the sample. Manually turn the spindle speed knob counterclockwise to minimum, and then turn off the power. Open the protective cover. Irregular clamps or cylindrical clamps or vise can be replaced according to sample shape. The working arm can be changed according to the needs. Samples that are not suitable for clamping can be fixed by heating and pasting. The two-dimensional rotary clamp can rotate 360 degrees. Tilt forward, backward 10 degrees for different requirements. Fix the sample. Turn on the main power switch, spindle power switch, and adjust the speed clockwise. Close the protective cover. When cutting hard materials, rotate the grinding wheel manually for grinding. The power arm can increase cutting efficiency. Fix the sample. Turn on the power switch, adjust power arm speed, spindle speed. Slowly lower the power arm. Close the protective cover. Get ready for the hand push mode. Install the hand push saw workbench. Clamp the sample. Turn on the main power switch, spindle power switch, and adjust spindle speed clockwise. Push forward manually. When the cutting is done, manually turn the spindle speed knob counterclockwise to minimum, and then turn off the power. It is crucial to disassemble and thoroughly clean all cutting-related parts of the equipment to maintain its performance and extend its lifespan. MTI, the leading provider of scientific equipment for material research.